In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoMining 2026 GoMining tutorial for beginners. GoMining is a platform designed to let you participate in Bitcoin mining through digital miners that are backed by real mining infrastructure. In simple terms, instead of buying expensive mining machines and dealing with setup, maintenance, and electricity costs on your own, you use digital miners that represent real computing power measured in terahashes per second or TH/s. To get started, head over to the official GoMining website and create an account. You'll sign up with your email address, create a password, and then verify your account through the confirmation email that's sent to you. After that, log into your dashboard to access the platform. Once you're inside, it's a good idea to complete identity verification. This step is optional, but it's strongly recommended because it can unlock additional features like withdrawals, higher account limits, and access to certain services. Next, take a few minutes to explore the dashboard. You'll typically see areas such as the main dashboard, wallet, digital miners, marketplace, miner wars, rewards, the GoMining token section, and your settings. Getting familiar with these sections early on will make the platform much easier to use. Before choosing a miner, understand the two most important metrics. The first is TH/s, which tells you your mining power. In general, a higher TH/s means greater Bitcoin earning potential. The second is WTH, or watts per terahash, which measures energy efficiency. Usually a lower WTH is better because it can lead to stronger net rewards after costs. When you're ready, get your first digital miner through the GoMining marketplace. As you compare options, pay close attention to both computing power and efficiency. A miner with higher THS and lower WTH will often provide better long-term value. If you purchased a miner through a supported secondary marketplace, you may need to activate it inside your GoMining account before it begins generating rewards. Once activated, your miner automatically starts participating in Bitcoin mining. That means you don't need hardware, special software, technical setup, or electricity management. Rewards are based on your miner's share of the total mining power. To track your performance, open the rewards section. There you can monitor daily Bitcoin earnings, review reward history, check mining performance, and see your balance. Rewards are generally distributed daily. GoMining also offers different ways to participate. Standard mining mode focuses on regular mining rewards and daily BTC payouts. Miner Wars adds a competitive, clan-based experience with weekly competitions and possible extra BTC and GoMining rewards for winners. As you continue, you can upgrade your miner by increasing computing power or improving energy efficiency. Many users focus on efficiency first because lower operating costs can improve net returns. You should also learn about the GoMining token, which can be used for maintenance fees, fee discounts, governance participation, and additional reward opportunities through staking and locking. If you want more flexibility, you can optionally connect an external wallet through supported networks to transfer assets, manage miners externally, and access blockchain-related features. When you're ready to withdraw rewards, open your wallet, choose Bitcoin or another supported asset, enter your withdrawal address, and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that withdrawals may require identity verification. As you become more comfortable with the platform, you can also explore additional features like miner subscriptions, token staking, governance voting, marketplace trading, simple earn products, and the GoMining card where available.